AI is not coming, it's already here. And in Dubai, a city that runs on speed, competition, and high standards, the shift is happening even faster. Let's be real. If you are a full time professional working in Dubai, just having a job title and degree is not enough in next 5 years. In this video, I will show you how to stay relevant, build authority, and start earning beyond your paycheck, even with a full time job. So let's dive in. Yes, your qualification helped you to get a job, but they won't guarantee you security, growth, or wealth going forward. The market is changing too fast. AI is automating repetitive tasks. Companies are hiring globally, and skills, not titles, are what drive real opportunities now. The professionals who will thrive are only those who adopt. They are learning how to turn their existing skill into online income, build digital products, grow personal brands, and use AI to work smarter, not harder. So, if you're still thinking your CV alone will carry you, it's time for a shift. Your relevance, your recognition, and your income will depend on how fast you adopt to AI. So, I'm going to show you exactly what's changing, what's at risk, and what step you need to take today to stay ahead without burning out or quitting your job. This is not fair. This is your first mover advantage. So, what is the hidden risk of ignoring AI? Let's start with most professionals don't want to admit. Dubai is evolving fast. Industries like architecture, real estate, HR, finance, admin are already using AI to cut the cost and reduce the employees. So, what that means? Tasks are being automated faster than the job promotions. Salaries are not catching up with inflation or technology. Job security is fragile even if you are experienced person. So just think about for a minute. If AI can do what you do 5 times faster, then why your employer will hire you or keep you or pay you? So AI is opening new income paths for you. Now here is the good news. AI is just not about automation. It is about amplification. It can help you create digital products that includes templates, PDFs, guides. You can write your first business idea in minutes. You can build presentations, it helps you coach or teach what you already know without extra certification. So, what every professional in Dubai needs to understand about AI. Number one, AI is a tool, not a threat. It is not here to steal your job. It's here to speed you up. Use ChatGPT to rewrite your reports. Use Canva AI to create stunning presentations. And believe me, if you are in HR, architecture, marketing, or finance, AI can free up 3 to 5 hours of your work every week. Experts are saying early adopters win big. In Dubai, speed is equal to success. People who embrace AI today will dominate their niche, build online authority, launch mini income streams without quitting. It's about authority, not only about money. You can earn money, but if you create your authority, if people recognize you as an authority in your niche, in your field, in your industry, you can definitely earn money. Automatically, you will earn money. So it's a simple formula. Recognition is equal to trust, trust is equal to leads, leads is equal to income. Let's talk about my favorite thing, wealth beyond your paycheck. Dubai salaries are high, but so is the cost of living, and so is the risk of job loss. So, what is your plan B? When I was in Dubai, once my boss told me the recession time is there and we are cutting salaries. So, he deducted 20% of my monthly salary. I was used to of my salary, and I was, of course, whatever salary you earn every month, you just manage your expenses accordingly. And guess what? When he deducted my 20% salary, for at the first place, I was really shocked. Number one. Number two, I was confused and didn't understand where to cut. I mean, which expense is not important? Where should I not put my money? That's why you should have plan B when you're working in Dubai. And it's not only about losing your job. Even if you have your job, sometimes you feel that expenses are increasing, but your salary is not increasing. You're not getting any raise and you cannot leave your job because you have signed a contract. And once your contract is finished, then you can move to other job. But how can you assure yourself that yes, you will get another job with high salary or higher than your existing salary? Yeah, that's why you should always have plan B. What is plan B? So for plan B, use my ideas, my suggestions, and AI. And this is not about being an influencer. It doesn't mean if you are uploading something or you're selling online, you are influencer. No, there are many business owners, there are many entrepreneurs who are working online, selling their templates, offering their services, but they're not influencers. Influencers is different. It's about building digital assets and earning more, even if only have weekends. There is a way to win, and AI can do it faster. So use this opportunity. Having said all this, let's talk about fast steps you can take this weekend. If you want to stay relevant and wealthy in Dubai's AI powered economy, here is where to start. Step 1. Use the AI business discovery prompt. Go to ChatGPT and type I am a dash in this bracket you write on your profession. In Dubai, I am good at three things. Write down three things which you are good at. What three business ideas or services could I sell online using AI to support others in my industry? This will open up immediate insight. Step 2. Turn your skills into a small offer. Start with a one-page checklist, a digital planner or template, a 30-minute consulting session. And number 3, download the Dubai AI Professional Toolkit. I have created this free resource for you for professionals who want to start their online business. This free resource gives you 10 plug and play AI prompts, a business idea worksheet, examples of how professionals in Dubai are earning more with AI. Link is in description below. If you have been feeling that world is moving so fast, you are right, but it's not too late to get ahead. Dubai rewards those who move early. AI gives you an unfair advantage if you know how to use it. So here's your next step. Download the Dubai Professional AI Toolkit. Drop the word ahead in the comments if you want help choosing your first idea, and subscribe. Every week I share practical ways to grow your income, visibility and freedom without quitting your job. Your job is not your ceiling. It's your launchpad. Let's AI do the heavy lifting and you will be amazed what you have built in only 90 days. So what are you waiting for? Download my free guide. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.